Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Dinku Foodies. Today we are going to make a vegan, gluten-free, easy and healthy oat chocolate cake. It's a one blender cake. All you need to do is whip all the ingredients in a blender and set it to bake. Also, I'm going to make a super quick and easy chocolate frosting which is made with cashews. It's creamy, rich, chocolatey and slightly tangy, and it tastes amazing with this cake. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So we'll start with soaking the cashews for the chocolate frosting. Into a small bowl, add 1/3 cup cashews, add in some water. Cover the bowl and let them soak for around 10 to 15 minutes till they turn soft and tender. Now into a blender or food processor, add half cup of oats. Blend it really well to make oat flour. Oat flour is ready. Now we'll add 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll also add half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and we'll give it a nice blend one more time. Into this dry mixture, we'll add 1/3 cup tightly packed, roughly chopped dates. I have used 5 medjool dates and chopped them into small pieces. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon olive oil or any oil of your choice, 3/4 cup milk of your choice, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now give a nice blend till this mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Transfer this batter in a parchment paper lined cake pan. Tap it for few times to settle the mixture. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the chocolate frosting. Add in the soaked cashews in a blender. Also add 2 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon vanilla extract or essence, 2 tablespoon pure maple syrup or honey if you are not vegan, 2 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon water. Give it a nice blend till this mixture becomes smooth and creamy. And our chocolate frosting is ready. Now let's check on the cake. The cake looks perfect. We'll let it cool completely. Now we'll apply chocolate frosting to the cake. And top it up with some berries. This oat chocolate cake is definitely a treat for chocolate lovers. If you're a chocolate fan looking for a healthy chocolate dessert that is easy to make as well, this recipe is a must try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like this healthy chocolate cake recipe, do try it out and let me know in the comment section below. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.